Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up notifications in Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the top left corner and type in calendly.com, and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Calendly. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have the create button, we have the schedule events and the analytics upgrade and the admin center. And in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up notifications in Calendly. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, from the mobile homepage, you will need to go and download the App Store or Google Play Store, whichever you have. You have to go and download Calendly there and using your Calendly account information. And then from the mobile homepage, select your account icon in the upper right hand corner. After that, when you did that guys, what you actually need to go and do is from the settings page, select the notifications option. And then after that, you just need to go and tap the toggle button to turn on push notifications. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.